Kontur 700 TPK stem road painting machine. This machine is designed for horizontal highway road marking onto asphalt concrete and cement concrete roads with modern thermoplastics and one-component fast-drying paint using reflective glass beads. Paint marking unit consists of a tank, a paint pump, and a set of paint guns. The paint tank is equipped with a horizontal agitator. The machine is equipped with 2 paint guns and 2 glass bead guns that are mounted onto a movable carriage. The carriage allows for applying paint marking on the left side of the machine as well as on the right side of the machine. Thermoplastic marking is performed by the extruder. Right after the extruder, glass bead guns are installed for application of reflective glass beads. The block allows for application of lines with the width of 5 to 50 centimeters. CAT 24M Caterpillar Road Leveler. The M-Series motor grader has become the industry standard in operational efficiency and overall productivity. Standard CAT grade with cross slope improves operator productivity and haul road quality and durability by helping maintain desired cross slope for appropriate water drainage by automatically controlling one side of the blade. Fluid Service Center provides single location at ground level for access to engine, transmission, hydraulic oil, and coolant. (5700D Power Curbers Road Barrier). The 5700D is the latest generation machine. The upgraded Power Curbers Slip Smart Control solution provides contractors a new level of responsiveness, simplicity, and precision. The compact size of the 5700D makes tight jobs easier to do than ever. The Power Curber 5700D curb and gutter machine is a one-machine solution that can easily handle curb and gutter work, highway safety barriers, irrigation ditches, sidewalks, and other special applications. GOMACO GP4 4-track. The GOMACO GP4 is designed for paving up to 40 feet wide and to accommodate multiple width changes. The GP4 is available as a 2-track or 4-track Slipform paver. The 4-track G4S Smart Leg positioning includes rotary sensored slew drives on the pivot arms of each of the paver's legs. The smart pivots on the legs provide the G+ control system with information on the pivot arm angle and works together with the track rotation sensors to maintain the tracks in the straight-ahead steering line. The P6870D IBG. The P6870D IBG delivers the ultimate in paving versatility. Outstanding power, performance, and durability are packed inside a highly maneuverable and compact paver. Compatible with a wide range of high-performance screeds and with operator comfort at the heart of its design, this is a paver built to deliver outstanding results across a wide range of applications. It is a 13-ton capacity hopper that can pave widths of up to 9 meters. MT3002i Vogele. The MT3002i material transfer vehicle moves 1,300 tons per hour, the company says, with 2 16-inch diameter conical augers providing active remixing in the hopper. primary and secondary conveyor belts are 43 inches wide and are heated to eliminate sticking. The secondary conveyor swings 55 degrees left and right. The 56,000-pound unit has 18 tons of storage capacity. A Tier 4 interim Jutes engine has 215 horsepower. Great system in the receiving insert breaks up cold crusts as they enter the insert, allowing smaller clumps to absorb heat from the hotter surrounding mix. Feed system with auto feed function automatically slows or shuts down feeding when the Paver hopper insert is filled. The road zipper system. The road zipper system provides a smarter, safer, and faster way to manage congestion and improve the way people move on the road, today and for the future. This cost-effective, reusable solution uses the barrier transfer machine to lift barriers that can easily reconfigure travel lanes in real time, all while maintaining a secure barrier between lanes. The road zipper system is one of the few solutions on the market that provides superior flexibility to benefit infrastructures today and in the future. The movable barrier technology is a proactive and strategic approach that can be used for managed lanes, bridges and tunnels, and construction work zones. WIRTGEN Slipform Paver, SP15O. WIRTGEN Slipform Paver, SP15O for paving concrete slabs, particularly suitable for use on motorways or airports. The paver can be equipped with dowel bar inserter, tie bar inserter, and finishing equipment. Cost efficiency is one of the factors fueling the boom in dual-layer concrete paving with the SP15O train from WIRTGEN. This method tangibly reduces the cost of construction as the bottom layer concrete and the top layer of exposed aggregate concrete are designed to meet different requirements.